Hello and a warm welcome to Dr. Smell Bell Verbal for ENT Hyderabad, India. Yoga Artery. So, yoga is a better way of life for us to live happily and also relaxed and have a warm up and a great workout for our brains, body, and soul, mind, body, and soul. So all the yogic exercises are planned in such a way that you will have the effect on all these things. Today we are going to deal about the Bhujangasana. The Bhujangasana is nothing but a snake. As you can see, we are going to raise like a snake, which helps in the inhalation and exhalation process improvement and also strengthening the back muscles of the spine, so by which you can also relax your neck and have a proper sleep, and your respiration increases with its good ability to breathe in and out. So normally we tend to breathe till the level of clavicle only, that is called clavicular breathing as far as yogic exercises are concerned, and with some pressure or with some effort we can go till the level of chest, that is chest related breathing for 3 to 5 seconds and exhalation, and the final one is the abdominal breathing for 8 to 10 seconds. You can take a deep breath in and deep breathe out. With this you will be relaxing your core also and strengthening your core also. So for this Bhujangasana to be started, you have to go for warm up exercises. You will be sitting on this flexed knees like this, and which is the Sukhasana, and you should be keeping your fingers like this. And but here in this you have to do the warm up. You have to put your hands on your knees like this. Just extend your head and also the shoulders. Take deep breath like this and flex your spine and back and shoulders like this, and exhalation. Deep breath inhalation, deep breath exhalation, deep breath inhalation, deep breath exhalation. Like this you can do for 2 to 3 minutes, and then stretch laterally like this to relax your lateral muscles on the left and also on the right. So when you have done this, you can just have a small extension of this, like you can go on your knees. So like you are going to be on your knees like this, and you are going to do perform the Adho Mukha Svanasana, which is the mountain pose. The mountain pose, you have to be on your hands like this, stretch your fingers completely and be on your toes and then on your feet. So you can do as if you are doing some jogging, as if you are doing some jogging like this. You can go for this jogging effect like this, and then later on what you have to do is you have to be on the floor like this, exactly onto the floor like this. Once you are there on the floor, your hand should be on below your shoulders, and then you can just put your forehead on the ground. You can go onto the left side once, onto the right side once, and on your chin once. After you keep it like this, you're going into the core of the Bhujangasana. Like you put your hands with all the fingers open, stretch it like this, and then you have to be on your shoulders like this, and just lift your torso like this. Extend your neck, as you are not able to see in the video, to the maximum possible extent. Take deep breaths in and out for few moments, for few seconds. Maximum effort you can do like that. So as in, I want to show you by moving a bit backwards. So your hand should be like this at the shoulder level, and then extend like this, extend your head like this for few moments, few seconds. After doing this exhalation, you can come back to ground. Forehead is planted on the ground. Take your hands a bit backwards at the level of lower part of the ribs, and then once again you can go for the same pose, so that you have to support it on your index fingers. Just lift it up like this. Take deep breaths, engage your core, exit. In, out, engage your core, exit. So like this you can go for 2 to 3 attempts here in this pose and also in this pose. One like this and second is like this. Try to extend the maximum by placing your hip onto the ground. Just all the pressure has to be transferred right from the fingers to the level of shoulder. Be careful here. And later on, after doing this, for counter asana, you have to go for the Adho Mukha Svanasana again, which will help you to have a relaxation of this after doing this Bhujangasana. So with this, your muscles of the back are stretched and your back is relaxed, including your neck. So by this, you can understand about Bhujangasana. Yoga is a traditional Indian way of living which is practiced since ages and time tested. You can be relaxed and happy with a healthy body, peaceful mind, and happy soul. All these things are possible with that. Thank you for watching Dr. Smell Bell Verbal for ENT about this yoga artery. Artery is my word to understand the happiness. You have art in your life, and artery has blood in the body, so which is the soul of our happiness as a surgeon. That's why I named it as artery. So like Smell Bell Verbal Yoga Artery. Thank you very much for watching. Bhujangasana.